Welcome. So you're just one small step away from having Wemob automatically publish your mobile app, which is awesome. In this quick walkthrough, we're going to create the secure key that makes it all happen. Think of it as the digital handshake with the Google Play Store. Let's get right into it.
All right, so what exactly is this key? Well, it's a secure digital key, but it's designed for a service, not a person. You're creating it for one specific reason, so Wemob's system can connect to your Google Play account and publish your app for you. Honestly, it's the safest and most official way to set this whole thing up.
We've broken this down into 5 really simple parts. First, we'll quickly touch on why this key even matters. Then, we'll dive into the 3 main steps: creating the account, giving it access, and then making the final key file. And before you know it, you'll be on to the final step.
Okay, let's start with the why. This isn't just some random technical hoop you have to jump through. I want you to think of this process as creating the official, super secure handshake between your Google Play account and the Wemob platform.
And this really gets to the heart of it. What you're doing is creating a secure, direct link between Google servers and Wemob servers. This is the gold standard. It's what Google recommends because it's automated, it's secure, and most importantly, it means you never, ever have to share your personal login details with anyone.
All right, let's get our hands dirty with part 1, creating the account. For this bit, we're going to be in the Google Cloud Console. Now don't worry if you've never been in there before, I promise the steps are super straightforward.
In here, we're just going to do 3 quick things. First, we'll enable the right API. Then, we'll create the service account itself. And finally, we'll copy its unique email address, because we're going to need that for the next part.
First things first, once you're inside the Google Cloud Console, head to the API library. In the search bar, just type in Google Play Developer API, find it, and click Enable. That one click unlocks everything else we need to do.
Okay, next up, navigate over to Service Accounts and hit Create. It's a good idea to give it a name you'll remember. Something like Wemob Publisher is perfect. Now here's a pro tip. When you get to the permissions step, you can just click Create and Continue, and then Done. You don't need to assign a project role right now.
So once the account is created, you'll see it pop up in your list, and right next to it is its unique email address. This email is basically its digital ID. Go ahead and copy that whole address to your clipboard. We're about to use it. Okay, you've got that email copied to your clipboard, right? Perfect. It's time to switch gears a bit. For part 2, we're leaving the Cloud Console behind and jumping over to your Google Play Console. You know, the main hub where you manage your apps. So here in the Play Console, our whole goal is to invite that service account we just made and give it the permissions it needs to do its job. We'll just go to the user settings, invite it using that email we copied, and grant it admin rights. Simple as that. Now, when you go to invite the user, you'll see 2 different tabs. To make sure Wemob's service works perfectly without any hiccups, we need to grant account-wide access. So make sure you click on the Account Permissions tab. That's the one we want. And on that Account Permissions tab, the next step is about as easy as it gets. Just check the box for admin. That's it. This just makes sure the service account has all the rights it needs to manage publishing without hitting any annoying permission roadblocks later. It's really the simplest way to get everything working. Then just click Invite User.
Awesome! The permissions are all set. Now, for our 3rd and final part, we are heading back to the Google Cloud Console one last time. This is where the magic happens, where we actually generate the key file itself. So back in the Google Cloud Console, just click on that Wemob Publisher service account you made. Then navigate over to the tab that says Keys. Click Add Key, and then Create New Key. We are literally just a couple of clicks away now. It's going to ask you what type of key you want to create. The choice here is clear. Just select JSON and click Create. The second you do that, a file will automatically download to your computer. And guess what? That file is the secure key we've been working on this whole time. Now hang on. Before you do anything with that file, this is super important. You have to treat this JSON file like you would a password. It literally holds the credentials that grant access to publish apps on your Google Play account, so keep it safe and only share it securely. And just like that, you did it! Seriously, all the technical stuff is done. You are now holding the secure key that Wemob needs to automate your app publishing. You're right there at the finish line. So what's left? All you have to do now is take that JSON key file you just downloaded and send it securely over to the Wemob team. Once they have it, their system will use it for that secure handshake, and they'll take care of everything else from here on out.
And one final little heads up.
Sometimes it can take Google servers up to 24 hours to fully recognize and activate a new service account. So if things don't work the instant you finish, don't worry. Just give it a little time. It's a totally normal part of the process.
And there you have it. You've successfully created the secure connection needed for automated publishing. The hard part is officially over. So, are you ready for Wemob to take it from here?